Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel MedLearner. Here you will learn all latest and important medical MCQs with hints. So, like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on bell icon for more updates. 1. Deficit in weight for height in a 3-year-old child indicates A. Acute malnutrition, B. Chronic malnutrition, C. Concomitant acute and chronic, D. Underweight. Correct answer is A. Acute malnutrition. 2. Best indicator for nutritional status for a child is A. Mid-arm circumference, B. Head circumference, C. Rate of increase of height and weight, D. Chest circumference. Correct answer is C. Rate of increase of height and weight. 3. Acute malnutrition is manifested by A. Weight for age, B. Weight for height, C. Age for height, D. Brocas index. Correct answer is B. Weight for height. 4. Which of the following is the best indicator of long-term nutritional status? A. Mid-arm circumference, B. Height for age, C. Weight for age, D. Weight for height. Correct answer is B. Height for age. 5. Common to both acute and chronic malnutrition is A. Weight for age, B. Weight for height, C. Height for age, D. BMI. Correct answer is A. Weight for age. 6. Grade 3 malnutrition according to IAP is A. 50%, B. 51 to 60%, C. 61 to 80%, D. 81 to 100%. Correct answer is B. 51 to 60%. 7. A 2-year-old child has a weight of 6.4 kilograms and has vitamin A deficiency. What is the grade of malnutrition in this child? A. First degree, B. Second degree, C. Third degree, D. Fourth degree. Correct answer is C. Third degree. 8. The following statement about Gomez classification is false. A. Based on height retardation, B. Based on 50th centile Boston standards, C. Between 75 and 89% implies mild malnutrition, D. This classification has prognostic value for hospitalization of children. Correct answer is A. Based on height retardation. 9. Waterlow classification of malnutrition in child takes into account A. Weight for height, B. Height for age, C. Weight for height and height for age, D. Percent of reference weight for age. Correct answer is C. Weight for height and height for age. 10. The amount of calories required at 1 year of age are A. 900 kilocalorie per day, B. 1000 kilocalorie per day, C. 1200 kilocalorie per day, D. 1400 kilocalorie per day. Correct answer is C. 1200 kilocalorie per day. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.